Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to create a powerful, highly engaging motivational video. Take a look at this channel. It gets almost 1 million monthly views. Even if we assume an RPM of just $3, you can see that it's earning nearly $3,000 per month. And guess what? This is just by spending only 10 to 20 minutes daily. If you also want to earn like this, make sure to watch this video till the end. Alright, let's get started. To create it, you need to open this Google Docs file from my WhatsApp channel. You can find the link to my WhatsApp channel in the description below. Once you're here, copy the first link, then open a new tab and paste the link into the search bar, then press enter. Here you will see many titles for motivational videos, but do not use these. You need to generate new ones. To do that, type "more but different" in the search bar and press enter. ChatGPT will then generate 20 different titles for you. Now that you have the title, it's time to generate the script. To do this, go back to the Google Docs file and copy the second link. Again, open a new tab, paste the link into the search bar, and press enter. Here you'll see a pre-made format for script generation. Simply select one of the generated titles and paste it here. Now copy these lines and paste them into the text box. Then, copy the title from here and replace it with the existing title. Press enter. If you see an error, simply copy the lines again, paste them into the text box, and generate them again. Once ChatGPT starts generating the script, and it's fully generated, the next step is to create images. To do this, copy the third link, open a new tab, paste the link into the search bar, and press enter. I have prepared all these links for your convenience, so you don't have to struggle. So make sure to like this video. Now, paste the script here and press enter. This will generate image prompts for each scene. To create images using these prompts, you'll need an image generator website. Go to Google and search for Microsoft Designer. Click on the first link to open the website. First, create an account. Once your account is set up, select the aspect ratio. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt, paste it into Microsoft Designer, and press enter. Repeat this process for all images, and your visuals will be ready. Now that we have both the images and the script, it's time to generate the voice, but with real emotions. To do this, open the Google Docs file where I've added a special prompt that will transform your script into an emotional script. Simply copy the script, open ChatGPT, and paste it into the text box. Make sure to paste the script inside the brackets as required. Then, press enter, and your emotional script will be ready instantly. Now, we need to convert this script into voice using an AI text-to-speech tool. Go to Google and search for 11 Labs. Click on the first link to open the site. Sign in with your Google account to register. In the text box, paste your ChatGPT-generated emotional script. On the right side, select a voice character. I've chosen Adam. Finally, click the Generate button, and your voice will be ready. Click the Download button to save your voiceover, and that's it. Your perfect emotional voiceover is now ready. Now we've reached the final step, editing. I've already saved all images and the 11 Labs voiceover in a folder, so let's begin. Open CapCut and select New Project. Import all files, both images and the voiceover. Drag the audio file onto the timeline. Adjust the aspect ratio. I've selected 16:9. Now, align each image with the corresponding voiceover section. Once everything is set, add smooth transitions between clips. You can also apply animations to the images to make them more dynamic. I'll quickly add animations to all images. When everything looks perfect, export the video. Before watching the final video, I have a small request. Like this video. Comment if you have any questions. Subscribe for more amazing content like this. And that's it. Your professional quality motivational video is ready.
There was once a young man named Josh who lived in a small town. Since childhood, he had big dreams of becoming a successful entrepreneur. He would often read about famous businessmen and get inspired by their journeys. However, life had different plans for him. Josh started his first business when he was 20 years old. It was a small cafe near his college. He invested all his savings and even took a loan to make it work. He was confident that people would love his cafe, but within a year the business failed. He had to shut it down due to poor management and lack of experience. The failure hit him hard, and he felt like giving up. One day, while sitting in a park, he saw an elderly man feeding birds. The man looked happy and content. Josh, feeling lost, went up to him and asked, "Sir, how do you stay so happy even when life doesn't go as planned?" The old man smiled and said, "Failures are nothing but lessons. When I was your age, I started a shop, and it failed. I lost everything. But that failure taught me what not to do. Every failure carries a lesson, and success is hidden behind those lessons." These words struck Josh deeply. Instead of giving up, he decided to learn from his mistakes. He took a job at a well-known cafe to understand how a business should be run. He spent 2 years learning everything: management, customer service, finances, before trying again.